Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert table on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or desktop. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a table in your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I'm just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, select the cell that you just need to create a table. For an example, I'm just going to select this cell. So I just want to create a table here. Now go inside the insert option, and here you will see an option called table. Click on this, which will show my table has header or not. You can just choose it and click on OK option, which automatically create it. So here I'm just going to show another example. So here I'm just going to add this and click here. You can see it's have some difference while you're having the format of options. So you can just create a different type of tables by just selecting the cells. You can just also type the cell number here also. So and you can just change the design of the cell by clicking on the top here. So you can see the different colors here, so you can just change it. And this is how you just create a table on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.